Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Chrysler Pacifica in neutral. First, let's cover the standard method, which is straightforward when your vehicle has power. Then, we'll dive into the manual override, a crucial technique for situations like a dead battery or when you need to move the vehicle without the engine running. Understanding both methods ensures you're prepared for any scenario. For the standard method, it's quite simple. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, locate the rotary shifter dial on your center console. Gently turn this dial to the N position. You'll then see the dashboard display confirm that your Pacifica is in neutral. This method is used for quick shifts, like at a car wash, and requires the vehicle to have electrical power. Now, for the manual override, which is essential if your Pacifica has a dead battery or no power. First, always engage the parking brake for safety. Next, find the small access panel, usually to the left of the steering column on the driver's side kick panel. Gently pry it open to reveal an orange pull strap or lever. Pull this firmly to put your Pacifica into neutral. Remember, when your Pacifica is in neutral, it can roll freely, so always ensure the parking brake is engaged, especially on inclines. To return to park, simply pull the override strap again, or if power is restored, use the rotary dial. For more helpful tips and to truly change how you think about money, check out the link in the description for the simple path to wealth along with other exclusive deals. Stay safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.